I have a flaky Sicilian. I got a fine Sicilian.
Are you a flaky Sicilian or a fine Sicilian?
Both. Hi, I'm Joe Guerrera, and I know fish. And today we're going to be talking about sea salt. Sea salt is less salty than table salt. Here we have a black Hawaiian sea salt, a red Hawaiian sea salt, we have a fine Sicilian salt, we have a chunky Sicilian salt, we have a fleur de sel, and we have a cypress salt. Different chefs will use different salts for different purposes. For a crudo or for a tartare, they'll use a chunkier salt which add texture to what you're eating. A fine salt would be to put on top of fish or a steak. You wouldn't put a coarse salt on a tuna steak. I dredge this merluzzo in Wonder flour and I deep fry it for 2 minutes. I'm going to use the fine Sicilian sea salt for this merluzzo. I think it enhances the flavor really good. And I tell you, I think it's great.